Ants might seem harmless in your garden, but they can really stir up trouble for your plants. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are 7 ways ants can harm your garden plants and how to prevent it. Number 1. Ants protect aphids and other pesky pests, making it hard for your plants to thrive. These little guys farm aphids for their sweet honeydew, which lets aphid populations explode, causing serious damage to your plants. Number 2. When ants tunnel through the soil, they disrupt root systems. This can lead to weaker plants that have a tough time soaking up water and nutrients, which is a pain if you're trying to grow healthy veggies or flowers. Number 3. Ants can compete with beneficial insects for food, pushing away pollinators. Less pollination means fewer fruits and seeds, so it's smart to plant a variety of flowers to attract those helpful bugs back into your garden. Number 4. Some ant species, like fire ants, can directly damage young shoots and flowers. A simple solution is to use row covers or fine mesh netting to keep these ants away from your vulnerable plants while still letting in sunlight and rain. Number 5. Ants can carry pathogens from one plant to another, spreading diseases that could wipe out your garden. Keeping your plants clean and removing any diseased foliage quickly can help curb this issue significantly. Number 6. They can also mess up the beneficial relationships between your plants and mycorrhizal fungi that help with nutrient absorption. To combat this, enrich your soil with organic compost to support a thriving ecosystem. Number 7. Lastly, ants can interfere with seed germination by moving seeds around or disturbing the soil. Planting seeds deeper or using seed mats can help keep them safe from these pesky little critters. For more tips on keeping your garden healthy and beautiful, visit our website at bighomeprojects.com, where you'll find a wealth of resources and trusted local contractors ready to help you tackle any gardening challenges you face.